Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about Django, how to work with Django, and first app in Django we will create also. So let's start. I'm going to install first Visual Studio, so you can run from the command. You can go the Visual Studio, and whatever system you have, you can download directly Visual Studio. So you can download from here Visual Studio, and if any doubt please let me know, and definitely you can download from here IDE. Okay, so I am going to run from command I have written also in blog, you can check from here. So you I have already installed is brew, so you can homebrew, you can install from here, and I have written I will give you homebrew machine also link. I have already installed in Mac my machine, so I'm going to type just here. You just run this command, you will install automatically after some time. So I have already installed in my Mac machine, so I don't need to run. After that I'm going to open, you can we have created virtual environment. Okay, so we're going to inside the virtual environment too, and now we need to run source, sorry, source bin and activate. Now your virtual environment setup is done. Now we need to open project. So we have project name, one second, with the name of the block. So we need to open block. So I am going to inside the block folder. Now we need to open, so we need to write here code space dot. Visual Studio will automatically open. Now you can check. Now I'm going to explain you a little bit about the Django framework. So one second, you can check here. We have block project. So oh sorry, we need to, if you want to create, so you can create, we have already created this one. So I'm going to delete this project, I don't need right now, so we have deleted from here. Now we need to install, so I'm going to inside of the virtual machine dot dot. Now we need to run again here source bin activate. Now virtual environment second is activated. Now what we need to do, we need to go inside of the block. You can check where the inside the block. Now what we need to do here, we need to run also one python manage dot run server. Now server is running. Now I'm going to open again, one second, look here, this server is running. Let's check is perfect or not. So one second, let me give me a check. Now perfect is running perfectly. So what we need to do here, I'm going to run inside of the one project, suppose with any name. So I'm going to type here python manage dot run server. Now we need to run here start app with the name of any, suppose with the block we have already, and we want for the user. So I'm going to type here home. One second, we have given any wrong name. Let me check again. Python manage dot run start app with the name of home is not running. One second, let me check again. We have written anything's wrong. Let me check again. Python manage dot run start app. We have any error executions line of the manage dot run 5 line number 16. One second, let me check. Line number 16 we get some errors. Let's again, we need to install fresh Django project. So how we going to run? One second, dip this, close this project. Now we're going to inside of the virtual environment. Now I'm going to inside of the project environment. Now cd dot dot, now cd, we need to run source bin and now activate, sorry, in the source bin, and activate ls. We have created any mistake, so let's check again. source is source bin and activate. Now we are the inside of the virtual environment 2. Now what we need to do here, now we need to check here, we are the inside of the virtual environment 2. Now run ls. Now I'm going to inside of the project blog. Now you check here, blog is here. Now I'm going to delete blog, 1 second, dot dot. Now mkdir, sorry, rmdir, imdir blog cannot be empty. Okay, 1 second, we're going to create new project. So I'm going to type here, 1 second, here we're going to make project python. 1 second, how to create project, so you can check from here if you want. So you need to activate which python, Django, pip3 install, just simple pip install Django. So we don't need to write here, we need just Django space admin. Now admin and start project with the name of the project. So we're going to create any project with college, with the name of the college, and don't command the start project. So we have given is mailing start, start, start project college. Now we need to go inside of the project start with the name of the college. Now you check here. Now I'm going to open project code dot. Now we are opening new fresh VS code. Now we need to do here, you can check all configurations files is here. Now I'm going to open again terminal. Now we need to set again cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now we need to go inside of the folder. Now source env2 slash bin activate. After activations we need to go. Now activation successfully is done, run ls. Okay, now we need to go inside of the pros env, sorry, now need to go inside of the env2 ls. We need to go inside of the project cd college. Now check here what file is there, so we can check. So you, if you don't know, so it's the setting.py is the main file for configurations. What is the secret key? Basically when we deploy our code in server, we need to change of the secret key is very important. Debugger is true, we can is very debugging on if we get with the right here true, because we can check with the development process. When you deploy on the server, you need to set here false. Okay, and allow host, whatever host we want we can set here. And install applications was already, so you can check admin authentications and session and message static files and middleware for the security purpose we can check here. And root url is college.url, so this is a main root directory. And you can check for the template purpose, template is all templates are here. And web applications, for the database configuration setting you can change all whatever database you want. So by default is here set other SQLite. And you can check for the authentication password validates. And now this is done from the, if you want to static files, so you need to change from here. So we have written everything is here. So now we need to run. So I'm going to run python manage dot run server sorry, I have written wrong spelling. Run server, sorry, where is the server? Now run server. Now our run server is perfectly fine. Let me check. One error, you have 70 migrations unit until the authentication. We need to run migrate, we don't want right now. So looks here is perfect, is fine. So now we need to create inside of the project more Django project. So how we need to write here? So just simple, we need to go again inside of the project. So I'm going to inside of the project cd dot now sorry, source sorry, I have source bin activate. Now we are the inside of the project. Now ls cd college, again check. Now perfect. Now what we need to write? Python manage dot py. Now we need to run start app and project. I am going to type student and teacher. We will create some type here student. Now check, within a college we got some files also is there. So now you can check models. So for the models, what is the models? We are write all ORM based query for here. We can write here within a ORM. So this is a very important features in in Django framework. And admins, you can check here admins and configuration, whatever you want. This is the student configuration. This is also main important files. And test purpose, you want to any test test any kind of the test you can write here. And view purpose, you can call for the any view is basically kind of template. So we need to write here everything. So if you need doubt related to this project, please let me know. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.